Hello everyone, Nick from StruSoft here, back with yet again another tip of the week. So this week it's about how to make Project Manager faster by changing the model display of the 3D model. So you can change the detail level and so on and so forth, getting quite a big difference in performance on your PC. So as I usually say, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. I have a little project here with some different buildings. There are both some linked elements, there are some buildings as well. I have a few thousand elements. So right now, I've set the visual style up here, the detail, the shadows, the projection, so on, in the model display. This is quite detailed and quite heavy. So now I'm zooming in. Hopefully you will notice on the video here that it's quite slow and lagging here. I do get to where I want to, but I need it to load first, then I can select what I want. So there's nothing that kills it completely, but I don't want Impact to work like this. I want to be able to work faster. So today I'm going to show you some things that have a huge impact on this. One of the first ones is go to Visual Styles, shade it. It looks nice with different shades of gray and so on. If you have thousands of elements, I would recommend you go to Hidden Lines. You will still have your different shades colors. I will also recommend that you go to a detail level, which is a little bit lower if it's tough for you. I will show you the difference, but now we moved from shaded to hidden lines. And you can see already now when I'm zooming in and out, this is going faster, but still not exactly like I wanted to do. Another thing which makes a very big difference is AA, which makes the image seem smoother. If we turn this one off, it does say it needs to restart. In this case, it doesn't. You can see already now. Now I can zoom in and out very, very quickly just by doing that one thing. And actually go through the project very, very quick, very easy. Get it to do like I want it to do. If we want it to be even faster, we can set the detail level down, maybe to medium instead of fine. In this case, we will still get the window details, end caps and so on, but not the end caps inside the windows. By having this one changed to medium, we'll get a model which is, I'm trying to show you here, marking things up, selecting elements and so on, is quite fast now compared to this before. And in the same case, you can go down. If it's still struggling, if you have 30, 40, 50,000 elements, you might want to go to coarse instead, of course. So especially the visual style, the anti-analyzing, this is the first one you want to turn off if you want it to be faster. And the level of detail, these three are the biggest sinners here that affect the performance. So that's it for you guys. Now you can see from me getting a relatively slow model to one that I can easily work in now with a few thousand elements here in just a very few simple steps. So you feel free to play around with this. Of course, you also have what to show in the model. There's some more things that also make a difference here, but those will be a little bit more minor than the few things I've shown you. But well, the rest is up to you guys, and I'll see you in the next tip. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.